Today I am going to teach the second poem of the textbook First Flight. The name of the poem is The Fire and Ice, written by Robert Frost. This poem is the metaphor of human behavior as well as emotion. Fire symbolizes desire, avarice, greed, lust, conflict, fury, intolerance. On the other hand, ice symbolizes cruelty, rigidity, insensitivity, coldness, indifference, and hatred. In this poem, there are many poetic devices, metaphor, assonance, alliteration, and antithesis. In this poem, Fire and Ice, here is a contrasting human emotion. Here is a contrasting human behavior. Regarding with fire and ice, it is antithesis. Antithesis means contrasting ideas. Here, fire and ice. It is its antithesis means fire is opposite of ice. Means fire symbolize desire and ice symbolize hatred. So desire and hatred are speeding such a speed that one day it will engulf the whole world, and the world must end either by the desire or by the hatred. Some says the world will end in fire, some say in ice. So here is a contradiction among the people of the world, how the world will end. It is also called a speculation, अटकलेबाजी. लोगों के बीच में अटकलेबाजी है कि यह संसार कैसे समाप्त होगा. क्या यह संसार आग में समाप्त होगा या क्या यह संसार आइस से समाप्त होगा. फायर सिंबलाइज करता है, फायर इक्वेट्स करता है, फायर संकेत देता है डिजायर के तरफ. एवराइज, डिजायर मीन्स इच्छा. एवराइज मीन्स ग्रीड ऑफ वेल्थ. ग्रीड लालच. लस्ट मीन्स उग्र इच्छा. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट द्वेष, झगड़ा. फ्यूरी प्रचंड क्रोध. इंटॉलरेंस असहनशीलता. ये सारा का सारा ह्यूमन बिहेवियर और ये सारा का सारा इमोशन है जिसके चलते ये संसार एक दिन समाप्त हो जाएगा. ऑन द अदर हैंड, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट आइस, आइस सिंबलाइज क्रुएल्टी, रिजिडिटी, इनसेंसिटिविटी, कोल्डनेस, इंडिफरेंस एंड हेट्रेड. आइस संकेत करता है, आइस इक्वेट्स करता है क्रुएल्टी, निर्दयता, रिजिडिटी, कठोरता, जिद, इनसेंसिटिविटी मीन्स असंवेदनशीलता, ठंडापन, उदासीन और नफरत. तो दीज आर ऑल्सो द evil human deeds, evil human behavior, evil human emotion. तो ice is also called, it is the hidden power to destroy the nature, destroy the world. So we can say that the world must be ended one day either by fire or ice. In this poem, the poet wants to aware the people कि if we do not check the evil human deeds, then one day it will spread in such a way that the whole world will be finished. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. So, in these two lines, there is contradiction. Some say the world will end in fire. Fire means desire, avarice, greed, lust, conflict. And the opinion of some people is that the world will end in ice, means cruelty, rigidity, insensitivity, coldness, indifference, and hatred. It means that the human themselves are responsible to the destruction of the world. This world will be ended by bad deeds of human. Bad deeds leads towards cruelty. Bad deeds leads towards desire. This world will also end with celestial happenings. This world will also end by natural calamities. This world will also end by man-made destruction like nuclear war, like a biological war. So all these are equates with fire and ice. From what I have tasted of desire, from what I have tasted of desire. Here tasted means as far as the poet has experience and knowledge about emotion. I hold with those who favor fire. Here hold with means approve, means सहमत होना. I approve those who favor fire. Here the poet favor fire, means desire, avarice, greed. The world must end by desire, avarice, greeds. All these are the human behavior and human emotion. But if it had to perish twice, here the poet uses if. If means condition applied. If it had to perish twice, अगर इस संसार को दो बार समाप्त होना है, I think I know enough of it. The poet has experienced enough, more than proper, about hate. Hate is also called silent killer. Hate is also called silent killer, and by hate, this world will also end. So, as far as the poet gain experience about the emotion of a human being, hatred is also responsible to destroy the world. To say that for destruction ice is also great. Here poet says ice is also as destructive as the fire. Ice is all destructive as fire because both have power to destroy the earth. So we cannot underestimate anyone. We neither underestimate fire, we neither underestimate ice. And would suffice means ice is also suffice. Suffice means to be sufficient, enough. Ice is also enough to destroy द वर्ल्ड। आइस भी संसार को नष्ट करने के लिए पर्याप्त है। मीन्स हेट्रेट, हेट्रेट इज ऑल्सो अ ह्यूमन इमोशन एंड इट इज ए साइलेंट किलर। तो ये जो साइलेंट किलर है आइस, हेट्रेट, ये भी उतना ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल है इस पृथ्वी को समाप्त करने के लिए जितना कि फायर। तो इस लेसन से हमें क्या मैसेज मिलता है? तो इस लेसन से हमें मैसेज मिलता है कि वी शुड कीप फायर मीन्स डिजायर एंड हेट्रेट अंडर आवर कंट्रोल। वी कैन कंट्रोल desire and greed only by love, and love can be the killer of the poison of hatred as well as desire. That's all. Thank you.